anghel na nagpatibay sa samahan ng isang angkan. Mga munting anghel na nagbigay ng ngiti sa mga labi ni Aga at Charlene. The Mulak Twins' first birthday. Isang silakbo ng kaligayahan. Sa S-Files presents Silakbo. The much talk about wedding. The much awaited coming of the twins. Atasha and Andres Mulak. Aga and Charlene's twin little darlings. Isang makulay na selebrasyon. Isang masayang pagtitipon. Ang kauna-unahang birthday celebration ng Mulak and Gonzalez Heirs.
Actually, for them, of course, good health, ano?
Okay, good.
And dinadasal ko na parating, sana I'd be a good, sana actually a good father to them. And hopefully wish ko na yung bansa natin maging maayos na maayos talaga para di naman, para may kalakayan silang magandang bansa. So, masaya. Nainibago lang ako, first tong party na ganito, no? It's my first time na. So, ganito pala yung feeling ng Children's Party. Sabi ko, with all my friends, sabi ko, iba na yung mga handa namin. Congratulations!
We just want them to have a good education. We want them to finish their school, and they can decide from there. Of course, happiness, guidance from God.
Seven push!